quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Screencast. So the first thing you want to do is open up Screencast. So I'm going to do that, and you'll just get a little pop-up appear on your screen, like you can see here, and you're going to choose Free Recorder. Once you choose that, you'll get this black and white outline, and anything inside this box is what will be recorded. I really do recommend that you don't just kind of manually change the size like this, as that can reduce the quality of the video at the end. If you come into your preferences here, you'll see size is one of the options. Ideally, just leave it at 720, and whatever it is you want to record, resize to fit into this box. So for example, if I wanted to record this browser, you can see right now it's only going to record anything inside this box, so I do need to resize it. So I'm just going to make this browser a little bit smaller, and I already have it preset, but you could just kind of drag the edges to fit in. So I'm going to put it up to the top here, the top left, and that's in correctly. And now I'm going to drag this over to the right and drag it down to the bottom as well. So now it fits in perfectly. So in your other settings, you can choose to record the screen, the webcam, or both. I'm going to leave it at screen. The maximum time you can ignore because you're using the free version. The size we've just discussed, and the narration here. This is where you're going to choose your microphone. So if you hit the little arrow here, you'll get a list of all the microphones available to you. And choose the one you want, and when you do that, you'll get a pop-up again. So you can see it definitely is picking up my audio because you can see the green bar moving up and down as I'm speaking. But just to double check, you want to click record, speak for a little bit, and then click play to make sure that it did record what you were saying. So you can see that that was working. It recorded what I was saying, and so I'm happy that that microphone is picking me up, so I'm going to click OK. The computer audio you can ignore as well because you can't change it with the free version. So once I'm ready to record, I'm going to click the little record button here. And once I do that, it's going to count me down. So we'll say 3, 2, 1. So I'm going to press record, and you'll see that now. So now it's recording me. So I'm in Google, and I want you to Google PebblePad, and the first link that comes up is to the PebblePad website. So if you could open that, and once you're finished then recording your actual screencast, you're going to come down here and click pause. So now I have the option here to delete everything and start over, which I don't want to do because I'm happy with that recording. So I'm happy, so I'm going to click done. In here, that's going to bring up a preview, so I can play the video and just be sure that I am happy with it. Again, you can't edit because you're using the free version, so you have the options here to save as a video file, upload to screencastomatic, or upload straight to YouTube. I am going to get you to save the video as a file, so I'm going to click that, and in here then you have a few options. You can leave the type at MP4, you give it a file name. So I'm going to call this PebblePad tutorial 1, and choose the folder where you want to save it. So I'm going to just save it to my desktop. And do you want the highlight cursor on? So when you were moving around the screen, you would see that there's a circle around the cursor following it. So I'm going to say yes, I want to leave that on. And I'm going to ignore the open captions and just click publish. So you'll see this loading bar is going to publish it along the way. Just takes a couple of minutes depending on the length of your video. Once it's finished, you'll get this message where you can play the video, browse the folder, or copy the path. So, or you can just click done. So I'm going to do that, and because I saved it to my desktop, I'm just going to come over here and find it. So there is the video there. And after that, then you could upload that video to YouTube separately, to which you'll see there's another tutorial for that.